Namaste yoga practitioner. In previous video we practicing Chaturanga Dandasana with the strap support. In this video I will show you how to using a yoga block to practice Chaturanga Dandasana. This is very helpful for those have a rounded shoulder when they coming to Chaturanga Dandasana or the shoulder is collapsing forward. It will help a lot. So we will using a yoga block, placing it front of the yoga mat. And then again come to the kneel down position, placing your both shoulder and taking the palm beside the yoga block like this, and then placing your shoulder there. Now taking a step back, right leg, left leg. Place your tip of the shoulder to the shoulder blade and balancing in this position where the tailbone is moving towards the heel. Hold in this position as much as possible. It's give you an idea how to controlling your shoulder not dropping forward and down. And then drop the knee down, come up. This way also you can practice Chaturanga Dandasana. Namaste.